TEDxIE Madrid is one of those experiences that's transformational. This year, we really wanted to change the way that the conference felt. We want that whenever people check in, they don't feel like they're just entering the auditorium, they're entering TEDxIE Madrid 2026.
Our biggest challenge was how we're all very different, and it's also our biggest asset as a team because we all had these different views and we all could put that into practice. I think what I'm most proud of is actually building a cohesive team that works super well together, and soon it's going to transform into a completely different place.
Right now we have some speakers coming. We need to film the speaker introductions, which means that the videos are going to put on the screens before they show up on stage. We wanted to kind of portray the person in the video feel almost isolated in a world that is very fragile, and that's why we decided to all red in a world that's only black and white.
I think the most important thing is to always remember your morals and where you come from, and carrying those within the experience and the passion that you've accumulated over your years, and bring that into the event. And that's all it takes to bring something like this event to life.
I could not have done it without the whole team, and behind the scenes, they've done such a great job.
Everyone was so welcoming. I'm so honored to be here today. Thank you.
Today, we've seen inspiring moments.
All of the obstacles that have gotten us to this day, and I'm so proud of everything that we've overcome, and resilience.
That reflects the true teamwork behind the scenes.